my adventurers. This is Claire from Claire's Culinary Adventure. This evening we're gonna make a bread pudding. I got about some vanilla. What is that? 1/8 of a cup of vanilla. That's like a little bit over a tablespoon. And I have half a cup of sugar. If we need more sugar, we'll put it. But I'm using half a cup. I'm gonna put 2 cups of milk. That's a little butter. That's melted. And I have vanilla. So I'm gonna put the liquid together and then we put in the dry. And I also have some raisins that I'm gonna use. Right. So I'm pouring in the egg in the bowl and I'm gonna beat that. I whisk it. You don't need a lot of whisking, just so that everything comes together. Okay? The vanilla. I'll put in the milk. So right now I'm using 2 cups of milk. So 1 cup of milk going in, teaspoon. I'm gonna whisk everything together right. Don't have to put salt, but I'm just putting a bit. And you stir. Every time you put something in, you stir. Now I'm gonna put everything together, put it in a bowl, or put the bread inside of this bowl and put it to soak. And it's gonna soak until, you know, it's well soaked. You don't want anything in the middle to be hard. You want everything soaked, and we'll continue from there. I'm actually putting in another cup of milk, so it's gonna be 3 cups of milk. All right, so it looked kind of scanty to me to soak all that bread. So I'm gonna put the bread in here. I'll start putting in the bread, and I just broke up the bread. You could also like do bread in slices where you put the butter between, but that's another way to do it. And I'm not even gonna put all this bread because I'm wondering if I need all of it. I mean, if it's gonna be too much. So I'll come back and show you. A dash of cinnamon. Oops, that looks like a lot. And a little nutmeg. I add a little nutmeg. If you don't want the nutmeg, you don't have to, but I'm gonna add a little nutmeg. And I'm gonna leave this to soak for a while until everything is blended and soaked through. And then we're gonna put it in our containers to bake. See, this is one of those very easy recipe. You know, you can do. This is Sunday. We like to bake something on a Sunday evening, and this is Sunday, so we're baking something. And so I'm just showing you. Okay, so I want to show you the texture of the bread. It's soft. It has to like melting into each other. Those dark spots are the skin, and I don't mind that sometimes. So it's very soft and well soaked. So I'm putting them into my ramekins. These little balls are called ramekins. They use them for souffle and other desserts. Potato pudding. Everybody get their own potato pudding or any other kind of pudding. So I'm putting them in here, and I put some water inside of this tin. You're not gonna fill it up. You just put some down there so they steam, and they'll cook in here. And I'm not covering them up or anything, but they'll stay there and steam. And they should be cooked in about 20 minutes or so. And you see, I have added raisins on the top of some of them. These are the ones that I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have the ones with the raisins because some of my household members don't like raisins in pudding or anything. So, well, I guess they don't mind it in rum cake, but yeah, so I have maybe 2 more left. So I'm gonna fill this up, and the oven is on already, and I'm gonna put them in there. All right, I'll come back when they're baked and show you what they look like. All right. Ooh, look at my bread puddings, the individual bread puddings. They look so good. I like when they get a little brown on them like this. You know, of course, some of the bread with the brown edge makes it brown faster. I see they've risen above. their containers, like a souffle, you know. Anyway, I started at 350 and put it on the bottom shelf, but when they were nearly baked, I put it on the top shelf and put it at 400 because I wanted the top to get a little color. See that one? Now you could put cherries on here, anything else that you can think of. So I'm gonna just dust them with a little cinnamon, and I put back the cinnamon, but I'm gonna dust them with a little more cinnamon and let them look attractive. So there they are, a little dusting of cinnamon. So I'm gonna cut one and let you see what it looks like. Just cut this one and look at it. It's soft inside. Man, they smell good. Wow. So you can see that it's still soft inside and ready to eat. Man, my mouth is watering. Is yours? Is your mouth watering just looking at this? Anyway, let's cut it up and I'm gonna taste a piece, as I always do, and tell you what it tastes like. It's still hot, so I might have to blow on it. Yeah. Yes. That's good. And you can also sprinkle a little sugar on top. I didn't necessarily want to do that, but I might do it for the kids. You know. So this is delicious. I hope you try to make this. If you've never made it, it's easy. You put all the liquid together and then you put in the bread. How hard can that be? Thanks very much for watching my channel, sending me questions. I told you how much, because I was thinking I didn't tell you how much I baked them at. Also, don't forget to butter the ramekins before you use them. As with any cake tin, you put butter. I like to use butter instead of oil. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting my channel. I have another video on that's ready to upload, and maybe I'll upload it tomorrow. I told you I was going to do better. I was going to make more videos. So thank you for watching. Bye.